Listen, son, you are going to become a Super Saiyan. But it's not going to be easy. It'll be the toughest thing you've ever done.
What is this? Impossible. Gohan! Gohan! Stop! Don't do it, please! He's just a child. Is that what you were going to say? Run! Run away! Gohan! Don't make me laugh. This child has a far greater power level than either one of you. It's best that I kill him now before he learns how to use it. But don't worry, brother. You'll see your son again. In the next world.
His power is magnificent. One can hardly believe this boy hails from the lower realm.
You have to take this training very seriously. When you're ready, you'll move to the next level. You're my son. I know that you'll be able to do it. And don't forget, you're a descendant of the Saiyan race too.
The little one's power level has risen to 2800!
That's more like it, boy!
Gohan, I can't believe how you've changed.
It's okay, kid. No sweat.
I'm my father's...
You were my first teacher. My hands feel heavy. It's so hot. It's hard to breathe.
I need you to focus for me. Giving up already?
Well, that's nothing like the Gohan I know.
Dad! Where are you?
Gohan, believe in yourself, son. Unleash your true power. It's the only way. Can you hear me? Gohan!
Yes, sir.
It's just me and you now, Gohan. We don't have a choice.
Gohan's in trouble! He needs help!
Stay here. Gohan will be fine, Patel.
Goku, please help him!
Gohan's too pure to be taken over by the forces of darkness.
I trust you, Gohan.
Ready to test your new powers, Gohan? Kamehameha!
Gohan? You're still alive?
We'll fix that soon enough. Kill him. Full power.
I will never die. Even if my body breaks. Another will rise in my place.
I want to kill you.
Good afternoon, Vegeta. I hope I'm not intruding.
Yeah, look at you. When was the last time you trained? Just because things are peaceful now is no excuse to get lazy.